in this session, you are going to prepare artwork in Adobe Illustrator to send to the laser cutter to etch and to cut. So on the top right here is a coaster, and underneath would be a keychain etched into acrylic and coloured with Posca markers. And to your left here is the artwork prepared to send to the laser cutter. So to get started, you'll go File, New, and create a document which is 120 millimeters by 120 millimeters, and click on Create. And then you'll grab your artwork which you have either scanned or taken a photograph with your phone and place it into your Illustrator file. And then hold down the Shift key to enlarge it. While it's selected, click on Window, Image Trace. You will find it up the top here as well, but you do have more advanced options if you open up this tab here. So what I want to do is I want to ignore the background color. I just want to have the black outline. So I'm going to tick that box down there. I'm going to trace in black and white. And then I'm just going to click on Trace. And so now you see you've got a solid black line, and there is no longer a fill behind there, which is what I want. So I've got my artwork now, and then I want to expand. So you can see here it's still just a flat shape, but I want to have something that I can work with. So I click on Expand, and so now you can see the nodes, and that this is actually a filled shape where the black lines are. This is transparent inside, and we can fill that later if we choose to. So I'll close this trace option now. Okay, so I've got that. So to resize, I just hold down the Shift key at a corner node and move in or out. The next thing I'm going to do is create a circle for the coaster, which is 100 millimeters diameter. So in the tool palette, I go over to where the square is. I hold down that arrow in the bottom right corner, and then I scroll down to the ellipse tool. You can click and drag holding down the Shift key to get a perfect circle, or you just click on the background and type in 100, tab 100, okay, and that gives you a circle. Now that's by default just going to fill black. So down here in the tool palette you've got your fill and you've got your outline. So I want to switch so that I have a black outline and no fill. So I've done that. So now I've got the black outline, I can see my picture again. The red line through here means that there's no fill at all. So you can see that the picture is a little bit too big, so I'm going to downsize it, holding down the Shift key to scale it down. So just get it to a size that you're happy with. So about that. And then I'm going to select everything, and I want to align center it. So align up here. If I click on horizontal align center, the icon show you what it does. So it's pretty straightforward. So I've got my picture centered there. If you think visually it doesn't quite feel balanced, then you can then just go back and move it slightly. So that's that. So when you're sending artwork to laser cut, you need to have a black fill. So if I double click on here, it will tell me 000 for RGB. So that's how our laser printer reads for etching. So it's a black fill, 000 for RGB. Now I'm going to the cut line. The cut line is, the stroke weight is 0.01 millimeters. So I changed that, it's very fine. And then it is 255 red. So I double click on the outline here and it's 237. So I'm changing that to 255. And then 0 for the G and 0 for the B, and OK. Sometimes by default that changes back to a different colour. So if it doesn't send to the printer, that's usually what's gone wrong. So you can see there's a super fine red line. So now you just save that, save as an Illustrator file. So coaster 1, Adobe Illustrator, save. OK. Okay, so that's done. The next one we want to do is we want to make a keychain, and we want to make that keychain 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters. So just click and drag to select everything, and then go up to the top where it says transform. And here you have the X and the Y, but we have the width and the height. We want to keep that equal, so we lock that. So if I type in 50 for the width, it will also change the height. So I type in 50 and then hit the tab key, and that automatically does that. So that is the size for the etching for the keychain. But what I also need is a circle to go inside the keychain, the cut hole. So I'm going to make that 3 millimeters in diameter, so it's nice and safe. And then I'll zoom in. You don't want to have it too close to the edge because it could break, but you don't want it too far away either because it's really hard to feed the keychain through. So I would leave it about there. You probably want a few millimeters at least. And then again, you can get the align tool and just click on the horizontal align center, and it's automatically centered it for you. So this line also has to be the red, so you can always double check. It's still 255 red. Okay, and so file, save as keychain 1. So now you have your keychain and you have your coaster ready to send to the laser cutter. This keychain is going to be etched out of acrylic. It has tape covering it, and then I'm going to get a Posca marker and I'm going to colour in the etched lines with the Posca marker, let it dry, do a couple more coats so it's nice and opaque. And with the coaster, I'm just going to etch it with the laser so that the line work is burnt into it. So good luck with that.